Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Monday, May 19th. So, what's going on today? Looking at forexfactory.com news wise, we've got a bunch of talking heads of FOMC members speaking. 10 a.m., we have the CB leading index. 1:15, we have FOMC member Logan speaking. 1:30, FOMC member Cash Carey speaking. And 2:45, FOMC member Bostic speaking. So the key here is just being aware of when they're speaking in case they happen to say something the market just doesn't expect. So just keep in mind what times they are speaking and be aware. That's all we can really do. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can see that Thursday and Friday we went up. This market is just defying gravity and logic. So, I think it's really resilient. I am very concerned about the volume. As you can see here, volume is very ugly, below average. Just really ugly volume. That's the one thing that's just really bothering me about this market. Where could we go? There's a big high volume node at 6,030. There's a low volume node below us at 58.49. I think that's kind of the area we're going to be in. Moving on, looking at the intraday inventory on Thursday, we were positive correlated. That's what you want to see. Friday also positive and positive, so correlated. So really nothing to write home about there. We're always worried whenever there is upward price action and decreasing inventory or vice versa. So it didn't do that, so nothing to really look at there. Looking at the overnight action for last night, approximately 56 points. It's about average what we've had for the last couple of weeks, maybe even a little below average. Still way above the longer term average. So still got a lot of volatility. Where we got resistance on the top side? On the top side, we've got some resistance a little bit around the whole number 59.50, 59.70, 59.80. Go up a little bit. That 6,000 number, there's really nothing specifically there other than it's a round number. I would actually jump up to 60.30 area as a potential resistance area. Support, where do we have support? Support 58.50. Of course, 5,900, they're going to oscillate around that, but that is a big round number, 58.80. You can see that from 58.50 all the way down to 58.30, there's a whole 20 points where we've got a bunch of levels in between. So there could be a large support area between literally the whole number of 50 and 58.30. We drop below that. There's not much below that. 5,800. There's some confluence at 57.83. So those are your support and resistance areas. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is decidedly negative. 33.3% chance the market will be up from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.